All building societies have increased their loan to income multiples for their 5 and 5.5 times income multiple lending. The new change takes effect Wednesday, the 18th of December at 9 a.m. for any new business application. The key highlights are for 5 times income multiples, you need to have a household income, single or joint, above £75,000. And for 5.5 times income multiples, you need to have a single or joint income of £75,000 and above to qualify for their Boost LTI range. This does not impact any mortgage applications that have been submitted before this date. And anyone who has an agreement in principle in place currently, you have 60 days to submit the application for them to honor the current lending criteria. If after the date the agreement in principle expires, you haven't submitted the full mortgage application, the new lending criteria will apply. This is a big change for Accord Building Society because, as you can see here, currently an income above £50,000 single or joint can get you 5 times income multiples with the lender. That's a massive £25,000 on top of the additional £50,000 needed to get the 5 times income with this lender. Now remember, just because you have that income threshold, for example, of £75,000 does not mean you are guaranteed to get the 5 or even the 5.5 times with the Boost LTR range income multiples with the lender, because every lender has a different lending criteria. Every lender will assess your income in different ways. Every lender will review your credit score in different ways. And also, please note, lenders look at your expenditure as well, if you've got any commitments, nursery costs, etc. So there's a lot more that goes into it before you start assuming that you can definitely get that 5 times income multiples with Accord Building Society, even though you might meet the minimum income threshold for it. This is where you need to keep in constant communication with your broker, because as you can see here, lending criteria can change instantly. By staying in constant communication with a broker, they're going to ensure that you are kept up to date on a correct loan amount available to you, because if lenders do change their lending criteria based on the lenders available to you, that could maybe impact how much you can borrow, or it might actually be able to increase how much you can borrow. This is lending criteria as of the 17th of December 2024. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one.